If you are a member of a team plan, and your team administrator has configured the ScreenPal LTI plugin for Blackboard, you can add ScreenPal content to your course content, discussion topics, and assignments. Within Blackboard, you can use the original course view or the Ultra Course view. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add content using the Ultra Course view. For information about how to add content using the original view, please see our knowledge base. First, create or select an Ultra course. From the Content tab, click the Add Content button. Select Content Market. Or, if the course already contains content, add more by clicking the plus icon here, and then selecting Content Market. On the Content Market page, click the plus icon for ScreenPal LTI 1.3. Blackboard takes you back to the course content page. The ScreenPal item you just added is displayed in the list. Click the ellipsis icon and select Edit. Enter a unique name for the ScreenPal item you are adding. Make the video visible to your students by clicking this list and selecting Visible to Students. Enter a description if you'd like. Click Save. Back on the course content page, click the ScreenPal item. If you are currently logged into your ScreenPal account, the Content selection box opens. To add an uploaded video, be sure you are on the Videos tab. Click the video you want to add to the course. Here, determine which options you would like to make available for the video. You can show or hide the video title. Make captions available. Hide or enable the player controls, which allow your learners to do things like skip through the video and change the playback speed. Display or remove the timeline icon on the player, which enables viewers to open the video timeline or transcript in the sidebar. Automatically begin playing the video when the page opens. And make your video background transparent, rather than black. When you're ready, click Embed Video. Here, you'll see a preview of what your students will see. Just close this page, and Blackboard will add the selected content to the course. And your students can view it when they access the course content. You can also record a video on the fly by following the same steps as before. This time, in the Content selection box, click the Create button and select Record Screen or Camera. This opens the ScreenPal screen recorder. After you create your recording, click the Share button and publish the video to your ScreenPal hosting account. Back on the content page, click Refresh. The video you just recorded and published will be displayed at the top of the page. Click it to add it to your course. You can also add ScreenPal content to a discussion in Blackboard. In this example, we'll add an image. Begin by creating a new discussion or opening an existing one. Here, click the Insert Content icon and then select Content Market. Select the ScreenPal item labeled Deep Linking. Click the Images tab and click the image to insert. Click Embed Image. Click Insert. Here, enter any text you would like to include in the discussion topic. Click Save. When students open the discussion, they can simply click to view the ScreenPal item that you added. You can create quizzes in ScreenPal and add them to your Blackboard courses. You can even sync your students' quiz results with your Blackboard gradebook. For detailed instructions about how to do this, please see our tutorial titled Sync ScreenPal Quiz Scores to Your Blackboard Gradebook. You might want to have your students view a collection of videos and images, free of ads and recommended content. You can do this by inserting a ScreenPal channel into Blackboard. Begin by following the same steps as before to insert ScreenPal content. Click the ScreenPal item on the course page. In the Content selection box, click Channels. Click the channel you wish to add. Here you'll see a preview of all the images and videos that are currently in the channel. If everything looks good, click Continue. Then click Embed Channel. Finally, you can have your learners record their own videos without downloading the ScreenPal application by embedding the channel recorder on its own. In this example, we'll show you how to add the channel recorder to an assignment. First, go to ScreenPal and create or edit the channel to which students will upload their videos. Be sure that the Allow Users to Launch Recorder in Channel option is on. Depending on your selection for recording method, when students launch the recorder, ScreenPal will open a simplified version of the ScreenPal screen recorder on their desktop or the online screen recorder within their browser. For more details about all the channel recorder options displayed here, please watch our channel recorder tutorial. Back in Blackboard, click the plus icon here. Click Create. Here click Assignment. Enter a name for the assignment. Click within this box. Then click the Insert Content icon right here. Select Content Market. And select the ScreenPal Deep Linking item. On the Content Selection dialog, click the Embed Recorder tab. Select the channel to which student videos will be uploaded. Click Embed Channel Recorder. Click this Insert button. Next, enter any text you'd like to add to the assignment. And then click Save. When students access the assignment, they can simply click this button to record their own videos and upload them to the selected channel. Engage every learner with ScreenPal.